Hello, Laurits. This is for the different week next week. Monday, we're going to play together a few piano peoples, and you are going to play this. I hope you can find some time to practice it. One, two, three, four. And then repeat. And when you come to the ending next time, it's